어떻게 주는
다
거야?
설명해줬어. 김치 잡채.
Mac and
마크앤치즈? 근데 막이 없 치즈.
잡채.
준호야, 너 뭐 시켰다고? 너 뭐 시켰다고, 준호야? 빨리 말.
섞어서도 그래. 근데 버섯이 약간 재밌게 나와.
누구 머리채 같지 않아? 야, 내게 진짜 내 거 아니야? 그거?
아니야 이게 섞어져. 아 근데 you're very.
먹어봤어?
Pretty interesting. 오.
아니 누가 맛 평가를 그렇게 해, 준호야?
나쁘지 않아.
어 진짜? 어? 왜 저래? 이게 무슨 표정이야?
It's so hot.
어 귀여운데?
It was interesting.
Why was it interesting?
Tofu soup tasted okay, but they took away the banchan dish. I would rate 6 out of 10.
너무 박한데?
Actually, okay, 7 out of 10.
Wait, so don't stop changing it,
I'll do
Jay.
7 out of 10. 7?
Can you...
Giving 7 because overall it's a Korean restaurant, only Korean restaurant in Long Beach area.
Very close to our home. How far
Very
was
close
it?
to, there's like a 4-minute drive.
Yep.
And really appreciate the fact that they're trying to spread Korean culture within the city where there are not many Koreans. However, their tofu tasted pretty interesting.
Tastes pretty badly.
No, I mean not too bad. I guess I finished it.
우리 그냥 싹싹 먹었어, 근데. 근데 막 뭔가 이렇게 배는 부른데 뭔가 약간 기분이 쾌적하진 않아.
I think it could have been better.
Okay.
I think it's not a good idea to go here, but you should have gone that way.
What?
Yeah.
여기야.
그래?
거기서 왔잖아.
여기서 왔지 그쪽. 아 이렇게 가게?
반찬을 다 먹.
They took away the japchae dish as if it was an appetizer. Apparently it's not. In Korean culture, we always bring the japchae
They refill.
banchan on and they can refill just like how they refill Coke.
Yeah.
They just disregard that fact.
Yeah.
Secondly,
Yeah.
and lastly, they were kind of forcing us to pay 20% tip.
아니 근데 15%도 있긴 했어. 근데 좀 15%는 너무 작으니까
Yeah.
우리는 18%를 주고 싶었는데 the only option they had was 15%, 20%, 25%.
Yeah. So I think the last most important question is, will I come back here?
Oh, that's a good question.
So I think when you think about convenience-wise, yes, I will come
No.
back here.
Convenience wise, no.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you'll never come back here? Alright.
Jake, can you, while I'm driving, can you do that?
I think it's done now. Bye, guys. I think in the bye.